Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Lately, I am receiving a ton of messages from my other sisters that they are facing a lot of problem in Upwork. They said, "Sir, I have a profile, but I'm not getting any page visitors. I have sent so many proposals, but no one is responding me. I'm not getting any invitation. By what I am doing wrong?" Hi, I'm Johar, and you are watching Upwork Alpha. You have the skill, but your profile is invisible to client. Today, I'm going to share my secret checklist with you. I will show you exactly how to fix your profile so client feel confident to hire you. First, your profile photo is very important. Your profile photo is the first thing clients see. So, your photo must look clear and professional. Use a clear headshot, look straight at the camera. Your face should be clear and bright. Use a plain background. Only you should be in the picture. Never use selfie. Always try to use your back camera of your phone. Do not use any sunglasses, logos, tags, or any cartoons. Do not use blurry or edited photos. A good photo helps client trust, and don't forget to smile because a smiley face always brings the trust and create a very friendly vibe. Now let's talk about your profile title. Your title decide if a client click your profile or not. So keep it short and clear. Write what you do in simple word. Add something that makes different from others. You have limited space, so do not write long lines. A good title tell clients your skill in one quick look. Keep the title short. Instead of saying I do many things, say exactly what you are good at, like expert logo design, certified QuickBook Pro advisor, etc. etc. You only have a few words to grab their attention. So don't lose this opportunity. Next, write a strong overview or a description. Think your overview like a short introduction about you. Tell clients who you are and what you do best. Keep it simple, easy to read. Use short paragraph. You can use bullet points, 1, 2, 3, 4 points. First few lines are very important. Clients see only a small part first, so make it interesting. Always check spelling before you publish, and do not use any AI tools to write your description. I always say to my trainees that if you don't have ability to write 12 or 10 lines about your skills, then you don't deserve to be here in this freelancing sector. And always think description as your shop. You always showcase your product as a description so that client can read and choose wisely what he needs. Let's talk about your hourly rate. You can choose your own hourly rate on Upwork. Client can see this rate on your profile. If you are new, keep your rate reasonable. If your skill is very high demand, like bookkeeping, you can charge more. Your rate can change based on your project and experience. You can also talk with client and agree on a better rate later when you get or gain more experience. Now, choose your skill wisely. You can add up to 15 skills on your Upwork profile. Pick only the skill you are really good at and relevant with your experience. Do not add randomly skill. The right skill help client find you faster, which is help you to get more invitations. For example, if you are a bookkeeper, then choose all the relatable keyword which are relevant or related with your bookkeeping project. Portfolio is another big thing. Client like to see your work before hiring. So add your best work to your portfolio. Your work does not have to be from Upwork only. You can add past work on personal project. You don't have any experience, so it's not a big problem. You can make mock project. For example, if you're a designer, design a fake logo for a coffee shop and show it or showcase it in your Upwork portfolio section. You can also add work you did outside the Upwork. Just make sure it looks clear and very professional. Don't forget to add description, how you complete this project, what was the deadline, what client requirement, and what you face or you struggle with this project. Now I will talk about work and your past experience. You should add your employment history very seriously. This can be job, internship, volunteer work, or any freelance work in your past. Even student work is fine. Explain how this experience helped you learn your skill or how you provide the service to your company or past clients. Clients like to see your experience very clearly so that they can make sense and they can trust on you or rely on you to give the best project. You can also create a specialized profile. You can make more than one profile for different skills in Upwork. Each profile can have a different title and rates. This helps you match better jobs. It also helps you appear in more search results when client search. Introduction video help you to get more impression and clicks. You can add a short video to your profile. In this video, introduce yourself. Talk clearly, smiley, dress very professionally, use a clean background. A video shows your confidence and personality. Set your availability with honesty. Choose how many hours you can work each week. This helps client know if you are free or you are engaged. You can also choose long-term or short-term section from Upwork. Finally, add certificates and extra experience. If you have any certificate, add them. You can also add courses or activities you have done. These small things make your profile very stronger. Always remember, a good Upwork profile should be simple, clear, and honest. Take time to complete every section. Do not rush. Improve step by step. If you found this video helpful, follow more Upwork tips and stay with Upwork Alpha. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay well, and stay awesome. Allah Hafiz.